today.
Wish that I could stay.
Did look good.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for being here. So today is another point of view. I'm just putting in a basic hot cross bun section. I'm going to be doing a half head of foils. I'm going to be taking our client to a nice platinum blonde. If you'd have seen in the last video, I'd have said that the lighting in the salon, as you can see one on the left, that's added, that is white, and the others are very warm. So the end result looks warm on camera, but in real life looks absolutely banging platinum blonde. So I'm just starting with 30 volt and powder, and we're working through just average weave, some baby lights around the sort of face area just to blend in the hairline. Yeah, just working with Blonde Life, Joico, and then 30 volt. Reason for 30 volt is I'm going to be wanting to get the lift. I know my client's hair lifts quite slow, and just to push it through basically. Not going to be touching it in previous blonde, but if there is any darker patches, I'll be dusting over those pieces. And yeah, I'm just going to be flying through this in super speed. If you do enjoy these point of view videos, I'm going to be bringing you a lot more, because I've just found a really cool way to do it, and easy way to do it in the salon. So if you enjoy these, let me know in the comments down below. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know what you think about it. So yeah, just enjoy the video. When we get to the toning part, I'll let you know the formulation to what we're doing, and then you'll see the end result.
And you can't put up a fight in the misty light. That I could stay, wish for this moment to never go away, but it's all in my mind, and though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light. Streets all alone, and all you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
sides, I'm working through the middle parting now. I work baby lights around the hairline, and we're working baby lights through the parting, so it's very concentrated but very soft on regrowth. We're going to lift to a eye level pale yellow, and then we're going to tone with 2 parts 9SB, 1 part 10V to get the super cool result. When you see the result here, it doesn't reflect the actual real life finish because of the warmth of the lights in the salon, but they are getting changed to daylight white. But yeah, that is a platinum blonde bob using Joyful Lumishine. Let me know in the comments down what you think. Thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.